Hi, today let us do the second worksheet on repeated multiplication. The first activity is compute these powers. 2 power 6, 2 raised to 6 is 2 multiplied by 2 6 times repeatedly. That is 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into here these three 2's taken together 8. 2 into 2 4, 4 2's are 8. 8 into 8 is 64. Answer 64. Otherwise you can multiply in this way also. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32, 32 into 2 64. Then 3 power 8, 3 raised to 8. That is 3 into 3 into etc. 8 times. Again multiply 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9. 3 into 3 is 9. 81 into 81 is equal to 6561. In that way you can do. Otherwise 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Taking 3 at a time. 27 into again these 3 3's at a time. 9 3's are 27. 27 into 27. 27 square is 729. Then 2 more 3's are here. 3 into 3 9. 729 into 9 is equal to 6561. Whatever may be the multiplication, if you are not doing it in your mind, you have to show it in the notebook itself in this way. Okay. So 4 power 4 or 4 raised to 4 is 256 and 2 raised to 9 is 512 and 10 power 6, 10 raised to 6. That 10 is multiplied by 10 6 times repeatedly and that is 10 into 10, 1 and 2 zeros, 100 that you know, 1 and 2 zeros into 10, 1 and 3 zeros into 10, 1 and 4 zeros into 10, 1 and 5 zeros into 10, 1 and 6 zeros. So 10 power 6, 10 raised to 6 is 1 followed by 6 zeros. That you have to bear in mind. That is an easy method of multiplication by 10 that we have already seen in the last class itself. Do you remember it? 1 raised to 10 or 1 power 10 is equal to 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Again into 1 is 1. Anyway, how many times you may multiply 1 by 1? The answer is 1. And 100 raised to 4. 100 power 4. 100 into 100 into 100 into 100. That is 1 followed by 2, 4, 6, 8 zeros. 1 followed by 8 zeros. Read that number. Then here 0 power 20. 0 raised to 20. That is 0. No need of multiplying 0, 0, 0. It is just 0. 0 into 0 is 0. Answer is 0. Okay. Then the next question is activity 2. Exponential form, other forms and your findings. Exponential form 2 power 4, 2 raised to 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. 2 multiplied by 2, 4 times. Taking 2 at a time. 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 2 is 4. That is 4 into 4 is equal to 16. You can write it as 2 power 4 is equal to 4 square. 4 raised to 2, 4 power 2 or 4 square. Usually it is read as 4 square is equal to 16. And 3 raised to 4, 3 power 4 is 3 written 4 times and 3 into 3 is 9. That is 9 square. 3 power 4 is 9 square is equal to 81. And 2 power 6, 2 raised to 6 is here taken 2 at a time. 6 times 2. That is 4 into 4 into 4. This 2 into 2 is 4. That is 64 multiplication. And again taking 3 at a time. It is 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. And again 8 into 8 is 64. That is, we can write it as here 2 power 6 it is given, and here it is 4 into 4 into 4 is 4 cube, 4 power 3, 4 raised to 3. And here 8 into 8 is 8 square. Anyway, the answer is 64. And 2 power 8, 2 raised to 8. Taken 2 at a time, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 4 power 4. And taking 4 at a time, 2 into 2, 4, 4 4s are 16. So 16 into 16, 16 square is equal to 256. Activity 3 is, here take this first column, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Here 10. This 10 into 10 is 100. 100 is this 10 into 10. And this 1000 is this 100 into 10. And this 10,000 is this 1000 into 10. And 10,000 into 10 is lakh. Then 1 lakh into 10 is 10 lakh. 10 lakh into 10 is 1 crore. And splitting this, here it is 10 into 10, or okay. Then 100 into 10 is, 100 is 10 into 10. 10 into 10 into 10. Here this 10 into 10 into 10. And this 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That is 4 times 10 power 4. And here 4 times and one more time. So 10 power 5. 10 multiplied 5 times, that is 10 power 5. And here 10 multiplied 6 times, that is 10 power 6. Here one more 10 here. 10 multiplied 7 times, that is 10 power 7. Now take this column and the last column. 10 is 10 power 1. 100, 1 followed by 2 zeros is 10 power 2. 1000, 1 followed by 3 zeros, 10 power 3. Then 10,000, 1 followed by 4 zeros, that is 10 power 4. And 1 lakh, 10 followed by 5 zeros, that is 10 power 5. That you have to know. And 10 lakh is 1 followed by 6 zeros, 10 power 6. And 10 followed by 7 zeros is 10 power 7. That is 1 crore. And the number Google, what is it? 10 followed by, yes, 100 zeros. How will you write that? 10 power 100. That is the fifth activity. 10 power 100. Okay, fourth activity is compute the powers. Example, 20 raised to 4. 20 power 4 is equal to 20 into 20 into 20 into 20. 20 multiplied by 20 4 times. That we can write it as 2 into 10. 20 is 2 into 10 into 2 into 10 into 2 into 10 into 2 into 10. That is 2 raised to 4. 2, 2. All these 2's taken together. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. All these 2's taken together. 2 power 4 into all these 10's taken together. 10 power 4. That is this. 2 power 4 into 10 power 4. 2 power 4 means 2 multiplied by 2 4 times. 2 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8. 8 2's are 16. So that is equal to 16 into 10 power 4. 10 power 4 that we have just learned. 1 followed by 4 zeros. And 16 into 1 followed by 4 zeros means 16 and 4 zeros. We have to put only 4 zeros here. Multiplication by the number including zeros. We have to just count the zeros and put it here. So it is, how will you read this number? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 1 lakh 60,000. And 30 power 4. The same way. 30 multiplied by 34 times. That is 3 into 10, 3 into 10, 4 times. All these 3 is taken together. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into, here 3 into 3, 9. 81. That we can, from here itself we can write the answer. 30 power 4 is, here taking these 3 3s are 9 and this 3 3s are 9. 9 into 9, 81. 81 we can put here. Then 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0. That is 4 zeros you have to put here. Next one is 50 power 5. 50 multiplied by 55 times. That is here 5 multiplied 5 by 5 times. That is 3125. You have already done it. Then how many zeros are there? 50 raised to 5. So 5 zeros. So in the answer also 5 zeros. Then 200 power 3. 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 and how many zeros? 2, 4, 6 zeros. So 2, 4, 6 zeros. Here you have to write the number. Okay. Then the next question is activity 5. The digit 1 followed by 100 zeros is called Google. That if I just learned when the power of 10. Write Google as power of 10. 1 followed by 100 zeros. Which is that number? That number is Google. And how will you write this number as power of 10? 1 followed by 100 zeros. We have learned it is 10 power 100 or 10 raised to 100. When you are writing this 100, write it just smaller and just above 10 on the right side of 10. Okay. So a Google is 10 power 100 or 10 raised to 100. That is 1 followed by 100 zeros. Okay, thank you.